What's happening, you guys? If you are familiar with the fabulous application called ForScan, go to ForScan.org. You can see how it's spelled up there. Fantastic app. You can get it for free, but you have to pay for an extended license if you want to be able to do more operations with it. You know, for working on your car, for your Ford and Mercury products. There's tons of videos on it. But what I'm doing, as well as resetting, trouble codes and check engine light codes and all that, you can see what they are, as well as reset them with this fabulous app. All you have to do is get the proper cable that goes from, probably can't see it, it's too dark in here. You need the proper cable that'll come out of your USB port on your laptop and then plug into your OBD port underneath there. It's too dark to see it, but that's what you'll need. You'll need a proper one, and you can get that on eBay. Anyway, not the point of this. What I'm about to do is I just bled my brakes, and check out another video I just did on that. I'm going to do the ABS service bleed, this guy right here, and it's the first for me. I've never done such a thing, so I just heard it's a good thing to do when you've bled your brakes. So that's what we're going to do. So right here, we're going to click on it, and then we come down to the bottom, hit the play button. ABS service bleed. Before continuing, refer to workshop manual, blah, blah, blah. Great. Okay. There's a switch on the connector that goes to your OBD port underneath the dash. So you have to switch that over to the right side, which is the AS can. If you have this thing, you know what I mean. Hit OK. Okay, that's fine. Open, blah, blah, blah. Okay. Okay, when you hit the button to tell it to go, you can feel the brake pedal vibrating under your foot. And your ABS light starts flashing on your dash. And it does this for a few moments. And you also have to have, a catch hose on the bleeder screw outside on each caliper. Or you go one by one, basically starting with the front left, and it will walk you all the way around, doing each one around the car. And you just follow the instructions on the screen, basically. And it doesn't seem to be that big a deal, but this is supposedly, what the factory does when you do a proper brake bleed. And it's making a lot of buzzing sound and blah, blah, blah. So anyway, you just keep following the instructions on the screen, and it's not that difficult, but I was just showing you that this is what you do with the ForScan app, and go to forscan.org and it'll tell you all the stuff to do. So there you go. And you just follow the instructions. Anyway, check out our other videos. We got more videos on using ForScan, and I'm definitely no expert with it, but I have used it with many different things on my cars, and it's really fantastic. So check it out. And we got other stuff too, working on cars, motorcycles, dirt bikes, Harley Davidsons, classic cars, trucks, lawnmowers, all kinds of stuff. So like, subscribe, follow, check out our stuff. Hopefully it'll help you out in the future. We'll see y'all later.